The 2002 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip, and go with Ford Escape, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, front air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, cruise control, keyless entry, power windows, power door locks, passenger airbag, tilt steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.